The most popular steam generator iron isn't always the best, that's what everyone assumes. But when you actually look closer, the real winner depends on how you iron, what fabrics you use, and whether you're doing quick touch-ups or full laundry loads. Let's cut through the hype and find your perfect match. Product number 1: Row into Focus Excellence. This Row into Focus Excellence is a solid mid-range steam iron that looks premium and performs reliably. At $140, it sits right in the sweet spot between basic irons and full steam stations. If you want strong steam, smart controls, and easy storage without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1750 watt power heats up fast, and that 180 G min steam boost actually penetrates thick fabrics like denim or linen, no more going over the same spot 5 times. The 400+ micro steam holes on the stainless steel sole plate spread heat evenly, so you get smooth gliding without snagging. Plus, the LED display with 5 fabric presets means you won't accidentally scorch your silk blouse. Game changer for keeping your laundry room tidy. Now, some people complained about the water tank being a bit small. It's not removable, so refilling means lifting the whole iron. Here's the thing though, if you're doing light to medium ironing, it's fine. But if you're tackling king-size sheets or multiple outfits, you'll need to pause and refill. Still, for everyday use, it's a minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful, feature-rich iron without going full steam station. Skip this one if you regularly iron large batches or hate stopping to refill. For the price, it delivers excellent value. Product number 2: Row into DG8624 Steam Station. Now, if the Focus Excellence felt a bit limited on water capacity, this Row into DG8624 Steam Station takes things up a notch. At $422, it's a serious investment, but it's built like a mini professional unit. If you want near commercial performance at home, this is the one. The 1.1 L removable tank lets you iron for over an hour without stopping, and the 1800 watts ensure rapid heat-up and consistent output. The 400-hole micro-steam sole plate delivers steam evenly, so even stubborn wrinkles on cotton shirts or drapes vanish in one pass. Plus, the leak-proof design and calc collector mean less maintenance and no surprise water stains. Here's the thing though, this isn't meant to be lightweight, it's a stationary powerhouse. If you're ironing for 30+ minutes straight, your arm might feel it, but the results speak for themselves. This is perfect for you if you do weekly family laundry or sew craft often. Skip this one if you only iron once a month or have limited counter space. It's pricey, but for heavy users, it's worth every penny. Product number 3: Row into Freemove Cordless. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for flexibility, the Row into Freemove Cordless. At $166, it's pricier than basic irons, but the freedom of no cord changes everything. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1600-watt heating element gives you a 30-second heat-up and strong steam boosts even without a cord. The stainless steel sole plate with 400 steam holes glides smoothly, and the rechargeable base means you can iron anywhere, no outlet nearby, no problem. The smart base light tells you when it's ready, and the lock system makes it safe to carry. Perfect for quick touch-ups or small spaces. Now, some people complained about battery life. You get about 20-25 minutes of continuous use, which isn't enough for big loads. Here's the thing though, it's not meant to replace a steam station, it's for convenience. If you're doing a few shirts or dresses, it's ideal, but don't expect all-day runtime. This is perfect for you if you hate cords or iron in tight spaces. Skip this one if you regularly iron for over 30 minutes straight. For portability and ease, it's a standout. Product number 4: Row into Master Steam Station. Now, if cordless freedom isn't your priority but you still want serious steam power, the Row into Master Steam Station hits a sweet spot. At $255, it's more affordable than the DG8624 but still packs a punch. Here's why this matters for you specifically. That 1.7 L removable tank is huge. 57 ounces means you can iron for over an hour without refilling. The 1750 watts and 320 G min steam boost tackle heavy fabrics with ease, and the 400 micro steam holes ensure even distribution. The precision tip helps with collars and cuffs, and the anti-drip system prevents leaks. Plus, the heat-resistant base makes it safe to set down anywhere. Now, some people complained about the lack of a built-in boiler. Steam isn't as instant as higher-end models. It's not pro-level, but for most homes, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you want long sessions without refills but don't need ultra-high pressure. Skip this one if you demand commercial-grade steam. It's a great balance of power and practicality. Product number 5, Rowenta Ultimate Steam Pro. Finally, if you want the absolute best Rowenta has to offer, the Ultimate Steam Pro is the top-tier choice. At $501, it's the most expensive here, but it's built like a machine. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The built-in boiler delivers instant high-pressure steam. Pull the trigger for continuous flow or hit the boost for stubborn creases. The 1.3L tank supports up to 2.5 hours of ironing, and the 1800 watts ensure rapid heat-up. The cork handle stays cool and comfortable even during long sessions, and the 400-hole sole plate glides like butter. It's safe on all fabrics from silk to wool. Now, some people complained about the price, and honestly, it's steep. Here's the thing though, if you iron often or run a small tailoring side hustle, this pays off in time and results. But if you're a casual user, it's overkill. This is perfect for you if you want professional results at home and don't mind the investment. Skip this one if you're on a budget or only iron occasionally. It's luxury-level performance. So which one wins? The Rowenta Focus Excellence is best for everyday use. The DG8624 for heavy-duty ironing, the FreeMove for cord-free convenience, the Master Steam for long sessions, and the Ultimate Steam Pro for pros. Your choice depends on your habits, not the hype. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews.